Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest work from home jobs. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, Aci Consultants is hiring interns in the domains of business development, IT, finance, HR, legal and digital marketing. This is an unpaid internship and the internship duration will be 3 months, and they will provide a certificate after completion of the internship. And the candidate must have a good phone or tablet or laptop or PC will be preferred, and a good internet connection with Google Meet or Zoom meeting app. If you are eligible for this internship, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for HR recruiters from Troth and Ali Private Limited. For this position, you must have experience in IT and non-IT recruitment, and also you should have 6 months to 4 years of work experience, and freshers also can apply for this position. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for full stack developer position for an NGO company. For this position, you must have minimum 4 years of work experience, and also you should have working experience on React.js and Node.js technology of at least 3 years. And you are going to get a salary up to 12 lakhs per annum. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for IT infrastructure and operations. You should have minimum 4 years of work experience, and also you should have infrastructure experience with development and operations knowledge and networking. And you are going to get a salary up to 12 lakhs per annum. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.